Let's say you have a business. It could look like this, this, or this. For today, let's say it's this. You need a consistently clean store here, 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 and here. And if it's not clean, then your customers will have a negative experience with your brand and buy from your competitors. And it gets worse. One dissatisfied customer will tell between 9 and 15 people about their bad experience. Research shows that cleanliness is the #1 factor for a customer in deciding where to shop. And when surveyed, 6 out of 10 customers said they would buy more at a clean store. Looking to build a food service offering? A good food court starts with a clean forecourt. The real key to getting your customers inside your store is maintaining a clean image outside the store. You've tried to put together a cleaning program before, but the products you tried didn't work. That's because they weren't designed for the outdoors. And with high industry turnover and inconsistent training, your employees misuse those products, endangering themselves, customers, your equipment, and exposing your company to liability. Your people are working hard, but the same old problems are still there. All this adds up to wasted time, money, and poor brand image. And as the number of sites grows, so do the hours and resources it takes to keep those sites customer-ready. But what if there was a better way? Meet CAF, the leader in outdoor cleaning. For more than 17 years, CAF has been helping companies at over 30,000 plus locations worldwide go from this to this while addressing these problems. Our current customers rave that when you partner with CAF, you get a team of training specialists will assist your employees one-on-one to address cleanliness with friendly, insightful customer service, and compliance support with 24/7 access to customized and digital training with CAF Academy here, here, and here. If you're looking for this, team up with CAF Outdoor Cleaning, the leader in outdoor cleaning. We understand that keeping clean in retail petroleum is harder than other retail channels. We listen closely to our customers and then designed a complete system of solutions to meet your specific cleaning and image challenges. Traditional cleaning products just weren't made for your cleaning needs. That's why we have a team of scientists working in lab coats around the clock to make sure our products work here, 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 and here, and are simple enough to make the work easy for your team. With CAF, we make it easy to improve your image, which improves customer loyalty, so the customers will keep coming back again and again and again. If you're looking for this, team up with CAF Environmental Solutions, the leader in outdoor cleaning.